There is a level of strength that even the strong find unsettling. A kind of quiet power, so ancient that most people never notice it until it's too late. Because aging doesn't begin with wrinkles on the surface. It begins deep within the bone marrow. You've been taught that bones are solid, fixed, lifeless. But that is a lie. Deep inside you exists a system capable of rebuilding that entire structure. And today, you'll realize that your fatigue, your stiffness, the heaviness you call getting older, is not your fate. It's only a signal. The current within you has stopped flowing. Legend says that 1.500 years ago, after meditating for 9 years in an icy cave, the monk Bodhidharma left behind a sealed iron chest. When his disciples opened it, expecting gold, what they found was far more valuable. 2 manuals. One taught how to die. The other taught how to live endlessly. It was called the Yi Jin Jing, the classic of transforming muscles and tendons. A forbidden method, created for one purpose alone: to turn a weak, fragile, diseased body into a structure as strong as living steel, and to wash the marrow from the inside out. Today, we are not talking about relaxation. Today, we are opening that forbidden manual. If you wake up with back pain, chronic fatigue, or the feeling that your body is rusting, then what you are about to learn is not just exercise. It is a biological rebirth. Why are you still exhausted, even after getting enough sleep? Why is your spine becoming more and more rigid? Western medicine calls it stress. But Taoist teachings from thousands of years ago called it something worse. Your tendons have dried out. This is the deepest layer of your life force. Imagine an old rubber band left too long under the sun. It becomes stiff, brittle, easy to snap. That is your body when Qi, the body's bioelectric current, stops flowing. Most people are living with sleeping skeletons. Their energy rises to the head for worry, or sinks to the gut for digestion. But the deepest structure, your skeletal core, is being neglected day by day. The problem is not your age. It's not how much or how little you exercise. When a man lives in prolonged stress, constantly pushing his mind into his head, draining his life force into fleeting pleasures, and starving his spinal axis, the body chooses to shut down to survive. Tendons begin to dry. The spine loses its rhythm. Bones become lifeless structures that merely stand. This is the real enemy, prolonged energy stagnation. It's not time that weakens you. It's Qi with nowhere to go, forced to dissipate outward. But the good news is, your body doesn't need much to reopen the flow. It only needs to be awakened in the right place. And that place always begins with the axis of your spine. So today, we will unlock your energy together, through one simple movement. This is a technique from the Yi Jin Jing of Bodhidharma, called Wei Tuo presents the Pestle. Don't let its simplicity fool you. If done correctly, you will feel warmth traveling along your spine in less than 60 seconds. Follow the instructions precisely. Step 1. Build the foundation. First, stand upright. Look down at your feet. Place them shoulder width apart. Keep them parallel, like railroad tracks. Do not turn them outward. Do not bring them inward. Just keep them parallel. Now, unlock your knees. Do not squat. Just relax them slightly so blood can begin to circulate. Shift a bit of your weight toward your heels. Imagine this. You are an ancient tree. Your roots grow deep, penetrating through the floor and into the earth below. Your lower body becomes heavy and stable like stone, while your upper body remains light like smoke. Step 2. Build the structure. Slowly bring your palms together in front of your chest, like a prayer position. But pause. Look closely at your hands. Are your fingers pointing straight upward? Are your thumbs touching your chest? If they are, move them slightly away. There must be a gap between your thumbs and your chest, about the size of a fist. This space is extremely important for energy flow. Now, check your elbows. This is the most common mistake. Most people let their elbows drop out of laziness. Don't lift them up. Your forearms should form a perfectly horizontal line from left to right. This structure will open the pericardium meridian and prepare your chest for strength. In traditional Chinese medicine, the pericardium meridian is the protector of the heart. Whenever you experience emotional pain, this meridian contracts to form a protective shield. Over time, that shield becomes tightness in the chest, heaviness, and shortness of breath. Now, we are going to open it. Step 3. The real secret, invisible tension. Now we reach the most important part. Do not move your hands. Begin pressing your palms together. Gently. 10% force. 30%. 50%. And hold it there. Do not tighten your neck. Do not shrug your shoulders up toward your ears. Let your shoulders drop. The tension exists only in the palms and the chest. The rest of your body remains relaxed, yet stable. Now imagine this. You are crushing a diamond between your palms. This is an isometric battle. Your right hand pushes left. Your left hand pushes right. Neither side wins, but the energy between them explodes. Final connection, mind, body. Now, close your eyes. We will hold this state for a few breaths. While maintaining the pressure, bring your attention to your spine. Imagine a golden thread pulling the top of your head upward toward the sky, lengthening and lightening your neck. At the same time, feel your tailbone sinking downward, pulled toward the earth. You are being stretched in two directions. Up, down. Heaven, earth. Breathe only through your nose. Slow. Deep. Listen to your body. Do you feel your fingers starting to warm up? That's blood flowing to the extremities. Do your arms begin to tremble, shake, or feel a dull ache? Do not stop. That vibration is your internal energy beginning to awaken. It is your fascia, the connective tissue network, reorganizing under pressure. If your mind drifts away, bring it back to the pressure between your palms. Press slightly harder, and relax your face. Gently smile. The Shaolin monks say, a smile softens the heart. Let the heat build. Let it burn away the rust within you. Now, slowly reduce the pressure, but don't release your hands just yet. Separate your palms, only about 2 to 3 centimeters. Hold it there. Can you feel it? It's like a magnetic sphere between your hands. A tingling sensation, a gentle push, and a subtle pull. That is oxygen-rich blood flowing back into tissues that were just compressed. This is called the sponge effect. Now, slowly lower your hands to your sides. Exhale, and stand still for a few seconds. Feel the subtle current flowing down to your fingertips. In the end, all you need is 3 minutes every morning. Just 3 minutes. And do it consistently. Then observe. The rust inside your joints begins to flake away. What you just felt was only the first page of the manual. The Yi Jin Jing says, where the mind goes, Qi follows. Where Qi flows, blood follows. Where blood flows, bone is reborn. You don't need any miracle drugs, because inside your bones, there is already a complete pharmacy. What you lack is simply the key to unlock it. A truly strong man is one who allows Qi to flow, whose bones can still breathe, whose spine remains soft and alive. When the skeletal axis is nourished again, the body knows exactly what to do. Desire no longer needs to be suppressed. Energy no longer needs to be restrained. It naturally returns to where it belongs. This is not ascetic practice. Nor is it some advanced, mystical training. This is simply returning to the natural state your body was designed for. A strong person doesn't need to prove anything. If you've made it this far and truly understand this, you are not part of the crowd seeking entertainment. You are part of the 1% searching for truth. If you want me to continue this, to reveal the next movement, one that can cleanse internal organs, release accumulated toxic emotions, and wash away what you've carried for years, hit like and subscribe now. If I see enough interest, I will turn this into a complete series to help you rebuild your body, piece by piece.